Okay, so we're done adding light to her face. Ngayon naman, napansin natin na medyo yung lips ay medyo wrinkly, right? So medyo meron tayong texture dyan. So we want to smoothen that out. So I'm gonna introduce to you a tool na ang tawag ay Smudge Tool. So baka hindi nyo makita sa side panel ng Photoshop ninyo. All you have to do is to find the blur or sharpen or smudge tool. So under the blur tool, just click that and go down the bottom. You can see the smudge tool. Ang gamit ng smudge tool is minimix niya yung pixels. Okay? So, meron tayong strength dito sa taas. If it is too strong, then that means there are more pixels to be mixed. So see? Pansin niyo yan? Masyadong madaming pixels yung nasasama. Ngayon naman, if we're gonna lessen the strength, like sa akin, I can use just 10% strength for this smudge. And you have to make sure that you're on that layer kasi hindi yan magre-response. Well, let's try. Hindi yan magre-response kung nasa maling layer ka. So punta ka lang doon sa edited image and smudge it. Just very subtle, very lightly, para hindi masyadong halata na Photoshop. So, pansin nyo naman, di ba, pag alam na alam mo pag yung image, ay, na Photoshop yan. So, kapag kayo yung gagawa, try to make it subtle. Remember, you are not trying to make a new face. You are just enhancing an existing appearance. Okay? So, sa akin, okay na yun. Na-smudge ko na siyang konti at hindi na siya masyadong dry. Okay? So, that's the smudge tool.